What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see behind me, I have my dirt bike and my four-wheeler that you have not seen yet because the battery was dead and we got it fixed, but we won't get into all that. But this is a playlist. You can go 70 miles per hour. Right there, as you can see, 70 miles per hour. Right. It's got lights. So, and my dirt bike, you've seen it. So, let's go ride these things. This thing is really dangerous. That's why I'm wearing my helmet. So here it is right here. It's a Husqvarna lawnmower. This thing can go 100, 120 miles per hour. So let's go ride it. Watching this video, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. And shout out today is NKR Fishing and Outdoors. Go subscribe to him, and God bless.